Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download files from Canva to your PC, and if this video has been helpful I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. I have this file right here that I've been editing, and now I want to actually download it to this PC so I can use it however I want from there. What you need to do is go up to this share button, press share, and then down here in the bottom left there's a downloads button. And then from there, you can see the file type. It automatically sets as PNG, but you can go in here to this drop-down list. You can press JPEG or JPG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVG, MP4, GIF, PPTX, whatever you would like. And then from there, once you have finalized, go down to this button, the downloads button, press that, and then give it a little second, and the download will appear in the downloads section of Google Chrome, and you can go from there and basically press this button, the show in Finder button, and it will appear in the downloads section of your PC. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Bye.